Hi, this is Josh Bullivant with Trappers Landing Lodge. I'm here with Baylor Short, one of our marina guys. He'll be helping you out with bait. We're going to do a little bait update right now for everybody out there wondering. We still got some shiners left. We still got some fatheads. Tell us a little bit about what you're expecting this weekend, Baylor.
We're supposed to get some more fatheads and rainbows in this weekend. Hopefully, we get some more spot tails.
We still got a decent amount though, so they are a little bit on the small side, but they'll still catch you a walleye.
They're working great.
Have you been talking to any of the guys that have been out crappie fishing yet?
I've heard some reports from up in Boy Bay. They're using a slip bobber and a minnow up in the evenings in the mouth of the river. They've been doing pretty good. They're getting some good sized crappies as well. Then on some of the smaller lakes, those water temps are shooting up pretty quick. With the last couple of days, we had that warm weather. So you'll be looking for them in about 8 to 10 feet of water on that weed line. Look for those green weeds. Those will be your best bet for finding those crappies and sunfish.
Perfect, and then we're looking at a northwest wind tomorrow, so I'm actually expecting a lot of anglers to be fishing right up front of Trappers. Is that what you're kind of hearing too with the guests coming through?
Should be pretty good with those rocks right out in front. In that shallower water with those winds out of the northwest, we'll have some good waves pushing into these rocks. I'd say anywhere from 12 feet all the way up to about 3 feet of water, pitching a jig, and a shiner or a rainbow would work the best, I'm thinking.
Perfect. What color are you going to start with tomorrow morning?
Probably start out with green or a pink jig.
Perfect. Same colors I choose too, so
Hey.
might even use some husky jerks out there.
Ooh.
So from all of us here at Trappers Landing Lodge, it's fishing opener eve. We look forward to seeing everybody out on the lake. Make sure you stop by, talk to Baylor. We'll also have an Edgar down here and some of the other guys, so say hi to them. They'll help you back in your boat, get your bait, and hopefully give you some good fishing advice. We'll see you on the lake.